This man saves his dog from a bear attack. This hummingbird's name is Hector.
Hey, Hector. Come here, dude.
He stops by this guy's window every day to get something to eat.
Wanna take a chill? There you go.
Wow, he really trusts this guy.
That's my dude.
You're actually not allowed to have donuts.
This
No,
toucan loves
you're not
his
allowed
donuts.
to have donuts.
Whee! Pass over the snacks. Look what I can do! Ah, big stretch. Whoa! I believe I can fly. Kitty, center pocket. I gotta get all this water. Release the ducks. What's going on here? Oh, it's this little troublemaker with the big teeth. This is what happens when gas prices get too high. You start hitching rides. This cat has superpowers. These spinning birds are hilarious. The laziest meow ever.
Yeah.
Geez, hungry much? Somebody brought a cooler full of live crabs on an airplane. The cooler broke open and live crabs were crawling into everything. This elephant picks on the other elephant. This cow has a toy stuck on her head, but I don't think she minds because she is still having fun. This raven loves to sing. This goat always greets its owner when he comes home.
What are you doing? What you doing?
Whoops-a-daisy.
Oh, you almost got it.
Does anyone know why this dog sleeps like a vampire? Gee whiz, I hope he doesn't do this all day long. I like my best friend. Look how cute this tiny little chick is. I think she was born yesterday.